Hey 10th graders, are you ready to face the toughest science questions that could make or break your Telangana SSC score? అయితే you have to get into this most tough questions. అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో మనం will learn everything from the uses of baking soda and secrets of esterification reactions నుండి నెఫ్రాన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ దాకా. మీరు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్ చేశారనుకోండి, తెలివిగా ఆన్సర్ చేశారనుకోండి, యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ మాస్టర్ యువర్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఒక చిన్న మోటివేషనల్ లైన్ మీకు బూస్టప్ చేయడానికి: సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫైనల్, ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫేటల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కరేజ్ టు కంటిన్యూ దట్ కౌంట్స్. విక్టరీ అనేది ఫైనల్ కాదు, అలాగే ఫెయిల్యూర్ అనేది దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డేంజర్. మనం కంటిన్యూస్గా వితౌట్ గివింగ్ అప్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైట్. మనం గట్టిగా ఫైట్ చేస్తే విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ విన్. సో ఇందులో వీ హ్యావ్ one question as write any 2 daily uses of baking soda and write the required materials and chemicals for the esterification reaction. That is the activity. Guess and write what changes may happen to the focal length and position of the optic center of a convex lens if it is broken into 2 pieces. That is for 2 marks. This is a physical science topic. Mention the 4 physical methods of concentration of an ore and explain any 2 of them. Observe the table of electronic configurations of B, Me, P and Ne. Answer the following. Which are S block elements? Which has least valency? Which is a 15th group element? Distinguish between roasting and calcination with one example for each. So we have one more problematic question. Distinguish between roasting and calcination with one example adopati, and we have a problematic question. A 0.2 gram sample of an organic compound on combustion gives 0.147 grams of CO2 and 0.112 grams water. Calculate the percentage composition of C and H in the compound. That is for 6 marks. Then we have a draw the electron dot structure of N2 molecule. Explain the formation of MgO on the basis of Lewis electron dot symbols. Name the greenhouse gas released during the calcination of limestone. Write the chemical equation involved. What is water of crystallization? Give an example of a salt that contains it. Here comes the another question. If any 2 biological principles to be followed by farmers in your surroundings for controlling pests, what happens if moisture and air are absent in the nasal cavity of human beings? Write 2 differences between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Explain any 2 artificial propagation methods you observed in your daily life with examples. మన బయాలజీలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ పార్ట్ అయిన నెఫ్రాన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్ ఎనీ 2 స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఆఫ్ రైట్ ఎనీ 2 functions of urine formation. Observe the given picture of meiosis. Name the scientist who conducted the experiment. Differences in chromosome number of parent versus daughter cell. In which body cells does this division occurs? How many daughter cells are formed? We have one more laboratory preparation question. Name the greenhouse gas released during the calcination of limestone. Write the chemical equation involved. Tarvata, describe the laboratory preparation of CO2 with a neat labeled diagram. These are all about the most tough questions in science book edition. E pattern low. You can get so many questions like this. Practice these questions. Bye.